Hi, it's Hazel. Welcome to my channel. This is my second attempt at doing an unboxing video. When I looked at it after I hit stop, I realized that I was mainly out of frame, so some adjustments were necessary and I will try again. So today I received this journal that I purchased from Linda Bloom. And her Etsy shop name is So Sweet, S-E-W, Sweet. And I'm thrilled to have received it. And of course, I've already seen it since this is take two. It was closed with this seam binding, with this beaded dangle little charm at the end. I better not. I have to just keep. Yeah, I want to make sure I'm still there. So in this, I'll just pull it down 1 second and then lift it up. This is, this book is covered in a cross-stitched pillowcase. It's got 4 signatures and about a 2-inch spine or so. It's got a little button cluster at the top here with some crochet work and a little snippet of fabric. There is a recurring blue theme throughout, and it's gorgeous. Just checking. So the inside cover is lined with some paper toile and some fussy cuts, which are lovely. A little lace pocket, some eyelet, and again, you know, this paper feels really nice. It's like linen-y. Some, you know, digitals, obviously, for journaling cards. There is a lot of room to write in this journal, and I don't know that, I mean, that's great. I don't know that I'll necessarily be doing a lot of writing in it, but I am looking forward to decorating it further to my own taste. Yeah, this is really nice. And of course, I love purple as well. So between the color that is running right through this, there's also a lot of antique papers. So this is Italian paper. I suspect it's probably 100 or 200 years old. And it almost feels embossed, like I can feel the print. Through the journal, there are button snippets with lace and ribbon and so on. There are a lot of die cuts. There's plenty of writing paper. This you'll see occur again and again. It is an embroidery transfer pattern type paper. Some field guide pages. Some lace there. Flips, which is, of course, we love that sort of thing because it makes the journal interactive. Some embossing, some wallpaper type paper. And the question may be raised, well, why did you buy a journal from somebody else when you could so easily make your own? And you do make your own. This also is a very old piece of paper. The answer to that, I guess, is maybe 2 or 3-fold. It helps support other people, and I know that as a newcomer who is trying to get exposure and make some sales, that is something that I would appreciate. So there's that mutual support thing, and frankly, some good karma, perhaps. And it's also another way to sort of, I guess, have a tutorial in a sense, in that a person sees, okay, Yeah, now I see what she did. Oh, isn't that a good idea? Or, gee, I can't figure out what she did here. This, and there's more of this elsewhere in the book. It's a part of a page out of a cash book from 1852. So, you know, these touches with the antique paper are really nice. And of course, Digital's pockets, flips, and all sorts of more of that Italian paper. I like this too. It has a really nice feel to it. Dictionary page, journaling card. So those are digital. So she's used a mixture of digitals, coffee or tea dyed paper, and some, of course, some genuine antique paper as well. This is a nice big pocket. So if you are the kind of person that likes little hidey holes and secret places to put things, then a handmade journal by, well, virtually any of us is what is going to give you that. Let's see what's going on in there. Is there more? Nope, I just wasn't aiming it well. I think this came from here. Another fussy cut flower. And I think maybe if a lot of women, excuse me, think back to their youth and their diary writing days and how important it was to have that little tiny key and that little tiny lock to keep your thoughts private and sacred. So maybe we don't have to put things under lock and key anymore, but certainly I think that's part of what these journals provide people, is the chance to either write down some thoughts or just decorate it in a way that, oh, surprise, I didn't know you were there. And it becomes a journey of exploration. So this is now signature number 3. And again, I like the repeating, the repeating color, the repeating elements. There's more lace there. There's some purple that keeps finding its way into this book, which is great because that's another color I love. These digitals are really nice. And this is interesting. Haven't seen that kind of stuff before. And here she's used a little embroidered, well, half a little embroidered doily with some, that almost looks like tatting on the edge. So that's nice. Again, some heavier duty crocheted lace. More antique paper. This is another fold out. And I discovered in my take 1 that this is open top and bottom for tucking something in. This is that other page I was talking about from 1852. So that's really nice. I might need to trim that a bit. It's getting a bit damaged there. This is another very old piece of paper. You can tell by all the foxing on it that it's, yeah. old. And just by the feel. The feel gives it away every time. Another die cut. More digitals. This is another nice little thing here. This looks like a replica wallpaper. Another digital with some old, from an old plant book. A little bit of embroidery there. Another nice piece of lace. This feels like wallpaper. I like these ladies. Well, I like everything, to be honest. Tuck spot, more embossed paper. A pocket here with some more embroidery pattern. There's something so classy about white flowers, even though I love color. Another button snippet, start of the fourth signature. Another fussy cut. Here's some embroidery that was cut off something. Love it, love it, love it. More digitals. A fine, delicate. I have a lot of doilies, but that is really delicate. And it's sweet, so sweet. So sweet, get it? Here is another flip out with some lace. Again, because color, I mean, that's the way I like to do things, is with a color story that follows through the project. Nice. Another pocket here. Some foreign language paper again. This is fabric that has covered some sort of paper to create these two pockets here at the, well, it's not the centerfold, but very close to it. This too is, I mean, it's rag paper and it's gorgeous. This music, I think I pulled this out a while ago. Yeah, 1928. So that's almost 100 years old. And more paper, more music paper on that side. A lot of dyed paper. Another fussy cut. More foreign paper. Tuck spot. Another lace trimmed. Oh, sorry, that's clipped together. No wonder I can't. Yeah, this is all lovely. More the toile, another button cluster. That's a flip out. She's turned it back to strengthen the edge and help support it. More paper, more paper, more paper. And at the back here is another, probably matches the front. Yes, it does. Another lace pocket with some goodies that have been tucked in. I love it. I love it. I love it. It will have, it will take pride of place with some of my own journals as well as others that I have purchased. So thank you so much for watching. And yeah, that was Linda Bloom. So sweet. And I will see you in the next video. Thanks. Bye-bye.